Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1. US dollar retail sales. The latest round of US retail sales will be closely watched this week, on the back of last week's slightly softer than forecast YOY CPI reading. US dollar has weakened, with traders scaling back expectations of a further hike in June. The door has been opened on the back of a bumper jobs report for April though. Chances have now been diluted with inflation dropping back. Focus now turns to retail sales, and US dollar looks vulnerable to further losses if data undershoots forecasts. Number 2. Great British Pound labour market data. On the back of a further rate hike from the BOE last week, traders this week will be looking at the latest set of UK employment figures. Strength in the labour market has been a key upward driver of inflation recently, and should the labour market be seen tightening again, this will no doubt reinforce the view that inflation is likely to remain sticky around current elevated levels in the UK, keeping Great British Pound supported on hawkish BOE expectations. Number 3. Canadian dollar CPI. The latest Canadian dollar CPI will be on watch this week. While the bank has been on hold recently after pausing its tightening campaign 2 meetings ago, there is still plenty of two-way risk around inflation. The BOC has outlined that it remains willing to lift rates again should inflation move higher at any point. However, should inflation continue to peel off, Canadian dollar should stay lowered on dovish BOC expectations. Number 4. Australian dollar employment data. Traders will be looking to the latest set of Aussie jobs data this week for clues as to how the RBA might act going forward. The bank surprised traders at its last meeting with an unexpected rate hike, citing the need to bring inflation down at a quicker pace. If jobs are seen growing again, this might reinforce hawkish RBA expectations. Number 5. Japanese yen GDP. The latest round of Japanese growth data will also be a focus point for traders this week. The BOJ looks to be nearing the point of shifting on monetary policy. If growth is shown to have risen recently, this will likely support the idea of a hawkish shift in monetary policy. However, if growth is seen to have fallen, this will likely dilute any budding hawkish expectations the market has. As always, you can click on the link in the description just below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and consensus expectation for this time. But for this week, thanks everyone, good luck trading, and remember to please give a quick smash of that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.